My name is Mart Borns. I am 35 years old and I've been working for Rubix for almost 17 years now. I started in the logistics. From there on I grew into a commercial position, and from 2020 I am the branch manager of the Rubix branch in Zwolle. The Zwolle branch is specialized in power transmission and PPE and safety. We also have a small production facility to provide clothing with logos.
My name is Carel and Hartog. I am a safety manager at Gelder. I suppose the main problem is that in the former process everybody could order PPE whatever they want. And with the shop we can identify the amount of PPE and the amount of money which is involved in it. That's very important for us to have, the insight into the costs of PPE.
In use of a web shop, we're looking for like a user-friendly environment. Real-time stock levels are important because they want to know if something's on stock and will be delivered on time. They want to make sure that they can make management reports to see if there are cost savings possible, and that were important needs. An environment where they can order by limits or with a budget or with an approval flow, that are all like the main needs that we saw with our customers.
The main thing is that we don't have to do so much anymore. The portal is working for itself. We have our employee is ordering and it is delivered by Rubix at our office, and that's it. It's super. The big thing is, I suppose, the insight in costs and the amounts of PPE we had in our company. We didn't have that knowledge, and now we have the portal. We have the data. We can analyze the data and we can see, okay, what PPE do we have in the company? What functions use a lot of PPE? What are the costs? What are the limits for ordering? Very important, because it's all about, of course, money. It's very important to have PPE, but we want to reduce the costs. And I think we have now a solution where we can analyze the data, we can analyze the amounts and the costs, and we can intervene and we can change things the right way. It makes the process of ordering PPE far more sufficient, far more easy. It gives a rather good insight in what you are ordering, and you can see what people are ordering. You can put limits on the ordering process, which makes it more sufficient for the company. And it's an easy way of working and less complex. And we are an infrastructure company. We are not a web shop for clothes. So we can focus on our own business instead of do the ordering thing of PPE. I think that's the main reason why I would recommend Rubix and the portal.